outdoor living spaces have become a way of life and rank at the top of many a homebuyer's wish list. They not only make your home a more enjoyable place to relax, play, and entertain, but can also boost your property value.
Hi, my name is Glen Kuopus. I'm the owner of Koper Outdoor. I oversee procurement of the products that we choose to have in our store. I started in commercial outdoor furniture 30 years ago, and over the last couple of years decided to get into the consumer market because of the fact that during the pandemic, so many more people were going outside more often and living outdoors as opposed to in. The fact that we can help someone with an outdoor space project from start to finish, meaning design services, selecting of furniture, selecting of shade structures, all the way through to the end where we can actually install and assemble for them, gives us an advantage.
An outdoor living space is an extension of your home's interior and can be used throughout the year. There are numerous design options, such as outdoor kitchens, shade structures, heating, and lighting.
Hi, I'm Bridget Hefty. I am the showroom manager and design consultant at Koper Outdoor. I am in charge of managing the showroom, selecting the various furniture options and accessories along with our owner. The suggestions that I give to them are very different depending upon what kind of space they are trying to create. I think the major difference between Koper Outdoor and our competitors is the fact that we do offer design services. We really personalize and customize that whole process. So from beginning to end, with our customers who come into our showroom, just really listening to them and getting a sense of what they're looking for, and then continuing with the site visit and really holding their hands through the whole process and offering suggestions and refining what we're offering them or our suggestions based upon the feedback that we get from them through every step along the design process. I make sure not only that I'm helping design, but that I'm managing the project all along the way. So whether it be making sure that we're procuring the furniture in a timely manner, whether it be coordinating with our team around assembly of our structures. I'm on site and making sure that every step of the way we're communicating with them. Our smallest projects would probably just include a refresh of furniture, outdoor furniture. Our larger projects include extensions of the home with shade structures. Our most popular shade structure for residential being the Karate Alba. It really creates another room for our clients. And again, we're able to add climate control solutions to those structures.
Outdoor spaces are the most rejuvenating spaces in a home, especially those that are well designed. Koper Outdoor can create a space that is more than just beautiful, but also functional.
I'm Steve Foster. I'm from Salina, Texas. The process was really thorough. Glen and his team came out not just to measure the site, but to actually think about how the furniture would fit, if it would be too big or too small in the space. We talked a lot about just the installation and the product itself matching the existing colors on the house. If you're looking for quality outdoor furniture or an outdoor shade system, I would definitely recommend Koper Outdoor.
Koper Outdoor's design consultants work with their clients to create vibrant, diverse outdoor living space that perfectly captures their style.
Steve came to us with the problem of them not being able to use their patio due to the sun coming in the afternoon. So we were able to provide a custom shade screen to help them out. Karate is our go-to manufacturer that helps us provide our customers with shade structures, pergolas, and screens of all types. Our average install time for any shade structures and screens is 1 to 2 days, as opposed to if you're building something, it might take a number of weeks.
One of the biggest differences between Koper and our competitors are just the furniture manufacturers and the shade structure manufacturer with which we work. We also want to make sure that we offer a variety of design styles. So again, whether it be contemporary, traditional, transitional, even boho.
If you're looking for more information about outdoor living spaces, visit their website, koperoutdoor.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.